So this is the second time I'm trying to make this video. I already unboxed the package in the other video, and so now I'm just going to do the unboxing again because for some reason I had no voice in that video. So this is a kit that I got from Anderson Fabrication. Patrick, I reached out to him a few weeks ago to see if he made a kit, lift kit for the Toyota Highlander, which he didn't. And after the two of us going back and forth for a few days, he was able to get the top hats for the suspension so he can get the measurements correct and figure out where the bolt holes were and everything. And this is the beta kit of what he's going to be releasing in the next few weeks. So I'm going to do the unboxing again, and then in the next video we'll do the installation on my Gen 2 Highlander. This will fit 2008 to 2013 Highlanders. Mine happens to be a hybrid version, which is the same exact thing, just a different, engine. So this is what comes in the kit. Again, like I said, I already unboxed it, so it was packaged a hell of a lot better than it is right now. So you get some decals from him, which will definitely be going on the car. I wish I got one of each, or two of each. This way one on one side, one on the other, but that's okay. And then this is the top hat for the front suspension. So you can see it has the Anderson Fabrication logo here. It is black powder coat all around. And the inside, let me see if I can get my light here. You can see it's spot welded on the inside. Spot welded right there to mount the top. And then on the sides, position it this way, you could see how clean that weld is on one side, on this side, and on this side, on top and on bottom, super clean. So I'll put this away for now. You'll also see the tack welds for the bolts, so these won't come loose. And this is really pretty thick material. And it's, like I said, welded all around. So that's the top. Here's the packaging that it comes in. It's wrapped in cellophane and foam wrapping, so there's no damage when it ships. Here's the other side, same thing. You can see how they raise the powder coat up onto the threads so that there's no rust that'll build up inside here. And this is all American made, which is why I went with him. There is another kit out there that's made in Russia, but they use, or it's either Russia or Germany, but they use some type of high density plastic for this. And the quality is, of this is second to none compared to that. So I'll put that on the side. And then you also get the rear kit. Again, same thing. Nice clean weld up top on both sides. Tack welds on the bolts. Nice clean welds on bottom. And this is, again, spot welded on the inside right there. And if I can get it right up here. Again, look how high this powder coat goes up onto the threads. And when you screw these on, he gives you bolts as well. When you screw them on top, you'll just wind it around that, so there'll be no corrosion you'll have to worry about. And this is, I didn't mention it, it's a 1.5 inch kit. I wanted a 2 inch, but we're gonna try this first to see how the axles hold up over time. And then I think he's gonna release maybe the 2 inch if this, lasts well enough. So again, same thing, the welds, super thick, nice and clean powder coat. There's no marks on it, no damage. Perfect condition. And like I said, you get more bolts as well. I'm sorry, more nuts. These are nuts, stupid ass. But that's all you get in the box. And some more packing material. You also get some cards with some Subarus, which is what they're known for. But now they're venturing out. Obviously, they're doing Toyotas, Mitsubishis, I just saw on their website. So you have a Forester, an Outback, which is what I was going to use their kit for, my other Outback, and another Outback. So I just wanted to say thanks to Patrick for working on this for me. And hopefully this will be a new venture for his company, and we'll sell a bunch of these because these trucks are still on the road. The Gen 3s are out there, and now the Gen 4 just came out, but the Gen 2s are still running like champs. I mean, I've seen them with 200,000 miles on them and even more. But again, like I said, Patrick Anderson, call the phone number. Chances are he's going to pick up. Like I said, I emailed him, and within 10 minutes, I had an email back, and we started going back and forth for a few days. But here's their information here. You can send them an email once it zoom focuses. There we go. And you can find them on Facebook at Anderson Design Fabrication. It helps if I show the card. ADN Fab. You can also go to their website here, andersonfab.com. And they're also on Instagram. You can follow them here. There it is. So again, Patrick, thank you so much for sending this out to me. I can't wait to get it installed later today with the whole virus thing going on. It's been a crazy, crazy few weeks. I wish I had it done sooner, but it's been nuts. 2 people in my family have the virus, so you have to focus on family first and leave these projects, for another time when I can dedicate the time to do everything. So if you have any questions, comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section below, and be sure to like, subscribe, because there's going to be a lot more things going on with this truck, and I'll be sure to get some more information. Thanks, everybody. Have a good day.